Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone stuck on reset. Let's get started. The first way is to force restart your iPhone. To do this, press button combinations depending on your iPhone model. For new models, press and quickly release the volume up button, next press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the button. For iPhone 7, press and hold both the volume down button and the sleep button at the same time. For iPhone 6, press and hold the sleep button and the home button at the same time. If the problem persists, then you will need a MacBook to solve it. Connect your iPhone to a MacBook. Next, open the Finder application and select your iPhone device. After that, you can restore your iPhone from a Finder. If you connect your iPhone to Find My, then you need to turn off Find My before your iPhone will be restored. To do this, go to iCloud.com website and turn off Find My. After that, you can restore your iPhone. Try to back up your iPhone data before restoring. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.